In the name of Allah. Hi everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to JPG to Word convert online step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and press the bell icon. All is right, let's jump on the PC. Welcome Afghan Word Education YouTube channel.
Let's say you have a JPG and you want to JPG to Word converter online. So to convert the JPG to Word, just click the link in the description. First open the site. This is the site which will help us JPG to Word document converter online. So click select file and then select the JPG which you want and click open. And here select the Microsoft Word document format. And here click convert. And here a few seconds wait JPG to Word converter online. As you can see automatic download. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it. And here you can see we have get the Microsoft Word document. This is how to JPG to Word converter online. It's a very easy way. Catch you next video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.